Hello again, English 1 students. Welcome back to your academic word of the day. For today's word, we have discriminate. Let's check out how many syllables discriminate has. Discriminate. Discriminate has 4 syllables. Discriminate. Discriminate. Once more, discriminate. In Spanish, is discriminar. The part of speech that we're using this word is as a verb. So we're using discriminate as an action, as a verb. Let's check out the first definition of discriminate. Discriminate means to recognize or show that there is a difference between people or things. Difference keyword, between people or things. Let's look at an example. A talented writer is able to discriminate between different literary genres. In this case, discriminate is being used as a difference. So, talented writers know how to differentiate or find a difference between all the different literary genres. Okay, when they're writing, they can write in accordance to the genre that they are focused on. Okay, if it's a poem, they will write in the style of a poem, okay, using stanzas and lines and rhyming words. Okay, if it's fairy tales, folk tales, they'll focus on the plot structure from beginning, middle, and end, exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and denouement or resolution. If it's non-fiction, okay, it's historical events, or maybe it can be some documents, some Word documents, medical documents, some brochures, applications for a store, etc., etc. Okay, discriminate. Let's go over the second definition. Wrong slideshow. Let's go to the second definition. And discriminate in this case means to treat one person or group worse or better than another in an unfair way. Let's look at an example. At the time of the civil rights movement, many public places discriminated against blacks because of their skin color. In this example, we're using the word discriminated as the way that we most commonly know the word when it comes to like racial profiling or being racist. Right? In this case, it's treating a group worse or better. For here, during the civil rights movement, Martin Luther King times, people, African Americans, were treated worse. Was a group that was treated worse than others in an unfair way. You see in this picture, there was segregation going on in the United States. People, whites and blacks, were discriminated. They were separated, treated unfairly. Black people were not allowed to go into restaurants where they served only whites, and this also applied to some Mexicans. Some places they did not allow Mexicans to come in, nor animals. So that's how the level that they placed us. They were discriminated, treated wrongly or unfairly. Let's go for the familiar words. Got discriminated, used as an adjective. Discriminating, used as an adjective again. And discrimination, this is a noun. Synonyms, we have differentiate, distinguish, or prejudice. The first two synonyms, differentiate and distinguish, refer to the first definition of discriminate, showing a difference. The third synonym, prejudice, refers to, or you can use it when you are talking in the context of actual discrimination, treating other groups of people worse. Antonyms, we got impartial or tolerate. Impartial is there's no division, there's no unfairness. Tolerate, the same. You deal with the people. You treat them equally. Tolerate them. Okay, English 1 students, this has been all for Word of the Day. Make sure that you write your original sentence at the bottom of your flashcard. Include a visual, and happy studies.